And this is the 124th deadly shooting just this year. That's 3 more than this time last year. The WHAS 11 Night Team's Alexandra Goldberg and photojournalist Aspen Hester have a complete look at gun violence data just from this year. And Alexandra joins us now in studio. And over the past 5 years, we've seen a decrease in violent crime numbers, but Alex, we're nowhere near pre-pandemic levels.
Right, Alex, numbers are nowhere near those pre-2020 levels. And since then, there has been well over 100 people killed by gun violence each year. I spoke with community activists who said the only way to signal to the public that things are getting better is if that number dips below 100 once again.
And to be at 123, knowing that we are just days away from a new year, somebody's bringing in a new year minus a family member, it's not okay.
There have been 123 fatal shootings in 2024, according to the Louisville Metro Gun Violence Dashboard.
There's 123 more families that's feeling just like us.
Nevada and Krista Gwynn's son, Christian, was shot and killed in 2019. Their daughter, Victoria, was involved in a fatal shooting in 2021, but she survived.
As we hear the numbers, I mean, every number is another stab, another jab, another red stain on the shirt.
The numbers from 2024, 129 people killed from bullet wounds, and including non-fatal shootings, there are 488 victims total from gun violence in the city.
There's not been a break in that trend in at least 5 years to 6 years.
Christopher 2X is an advocate for gun violence prevention. He says numbers aren't anywhere near pre-pandemic levels, and data reveals the number of shootings was well below 100 up until 2020.
Because if you stay at 100 a year plus, that's a hard conversation to have about how things are getting better.
In 2024, there are 4 less shooting fatalities than the year before. But Christopher says there's still much more work to be done, and it starts with the youth.
That magnetic pull of street life is appealing to a lot of young individuals.
And the Gwynns say the criminals need to understand the consequences.
These young children need to take heed that your time is coming and your crimes will be punished, and hopefully to the stiffest of the law.
Christopher says it's too soon to tell if city programs are making a difference in the long term, and there's no quick solution. But the Gwynns say Kentucky's House Bill 5, also known as the Safer Kentucky Act, will make a difference in prosecuting criminals responsible for gun violence. Live in the studio, Alexandra Goldberg, WHAS 11 Night Team, on your side. Alex.
All right, thank you, Alexandra.